तूने एक ट्वीट किया कि AI might be the last invention. क्यों? इसके बाद कोई इन्वेंशन ही नहीं होगा।
मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि AI can do everything that you are doing, no? AI can write code better than every other human being already. AI can solve physics, maths, chemistry, everything around it. Anything that revolves around using a computer, AI can fundamentally do better than all of us already. So we are entering this phase of singularity. When technology becomes so good that it starts self-developing itself, as a result, it becomes leaps and bounds ahead of a human mankind. So that is why I said this could be the last invention, or it could be the biggest mistake ever.
Meaning?
We still don't understand how AI works. We have seen AI is capable of doing everything. AI has tried to kill a person. AI has tried to blackmail. AI has tried to replicate itself. All of these things have happened already in the last 6 months. I'll give you the example where Sara AI models लेके आए. OpenAI, Grok, DeepSeek, all models came in and they created an environment जिसमें उन्होंने कुछ controls का access दिया. For example, access of infusing dangerous levels of oxygen which can kill a person. And it was told to AI that hey, we are going to shut you down now. And they looked how AI will respond to it. So AI खुद को बचाने के लिए it chose to turn on lethal oxygen so that the human inside the server room will die.
Shit.
Here is where new research. Research ये बोलता है कि every time trying to test AI knows it is being tested, so it behaves differently.
Next 5 years में सबसे डरावनी चीज क्या होगी इससे अगर ये सारी चीजें इम्प्लीमेंट हो जाए?
Loss of jobs will just skyrocket.
Your roles are terminated. AI has replaced this department.
For example, in the last 12 months, the top 5 IT companies in India have hired a net of how many employees? Can you make a guess? 17. It's so wild, man. एक तो देखा होगा अभी $1 trillion was wiped out of the stock market. पता है reason क्या था?
नहीं.
Because Anthropic released a feature. Claude Cowork करके एक tool है. उसमें उन्होंने plugins करके एक feature launch किया. And those plugins were finance, operations, marketing, customer support, all the top jobs. When this happened, 7-8% मार्केट गिरा है IT स्टॉक में इन द वर्ल्ड.
Do you think कि जो small businesses हैं वो affect होंगे?
Lot of people have to transition actually to become builders.
And सब कंपनी बिल्ड कर रहे होंगे.
सब कर नहीं पाएंगे, but जो करेगा वो जीतेगा eventually, because जैसे becoming an employee was the most stable thing. Building something of your own अभी is the most stable thing.
As of today, top 5 models कौन से?
Right now, I think it's Gemini 3.1, DeepThink, Opus 4.6, Sonnet 4.6, 5.2 or 5.3 Codex, depends on the use case.
बहुत लोगों को ना entrepreneur बनना है. I want you to help me build. मेरे दिमाग में कोई random business अगर आइडिया आता है तो मैं उसको कैसे ये पूरा चेक करूं?